It's Dee Dee, Dee Dee's Main Thing. Today, I'm going to be making potato salad done in the microwave and making a ham sandwich. Yay! To save us time, I already done the potatoes, okay? And I'm going to be finishing up in this clear bowl so that you can see what's going on in here, okay? I did a potato in a napkin. You wash them off, of course, a russet potato. I can put this here. You can wash it off, and of course you're going to wash them off. You know the russet potatoes are filthy. And just wrap it up in a paper towel. Put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. I start mine. And then I fill it according to according to the size of the potato and according to your microwave. So everybody is different. And then I fill it. Just so happened mine went for 5 minutes. You just unwrap it. And see, mine are kind of small potatoes. And see, it's nice and soft. Nice and soft. And it's easy to peel this way. And then I also made some in a grocery store bag. Also, they went for 10 minutes in this one. 5, and then they weren't quite done, so I put them back again for 5 minutes. And you see they're nice and soft. And they're also easy to peel too. So let me start peeling so I can show you just how easy they are. And in the meantime, I put some mayonnaise on my bread, just some mayonnaise for my ham sandwich. Just in the skillet, both pieces of bread. I got my skillet down low just because I'm not ready yet. Gonna have some ham sandwiches. Ham sandwich at least. See how easy this is to peel? Yeah, I'm going to have a ham sandwich and potato salad. Of course, it would be better for these potatoes to be cold. But it's cool for me. I just wanted to show you guys. I'm sorry, I was out of the shot. I just wanted to show you guys. And see how easy it's peeling? It's peeling just fine. Ooh, and it's still warm, but I wanted to show you. Hey, I need to look at the camera, huh? Okay, let me pull this over here some and get on my cutting board. And there we go. I'm busy looking at the potato, and I'm not even in the frame. Let me get it in, and then I have cut everything. So now, what's going on in there? But I'm going to throw it in here. Just throw it in. And I'm going to put that there. Okay. And now let me grab another. And yeah, when it's hot, you know, when we be making potato salad, barbecue potato salad, this is like a dream come true. Because you don't have the hot stove and the boiling water. Let me get back here. I'm going to put it, yeah, there you go, on the cutting board, right? And what I'm going to just do, just go ahead and pick up these bell peppers and just throw them on in here, okay? Then that way I can get on the cutting board right where I need to be, right here. Okay, and just get a few of these little black dots out of here. Cut away a few of these little black pieces of the potato that don't need to be there. Toss it in. Where is my one from the potato? That's 2. Okay, and here's another from the bag. It's just do the same thing, just repeat. It's easier to peel. I don't know if you like to peel them first and then put them in the microwave. I find this one easier to peel when they come out because they're a little moist. And don't forget, you're not using any water. So it's just the natural potato. And you can smell them when they come out. You smell natural potato. Oh, it has a good smell to it too. Oh man, you just can't beat it. And of course, you know you could do this with sweet potatoes. Any of your vegetables, squash. Yeah, you don't have to water them down. Anything you want to do. I love it. See, I have 4 girls. Well, I do have 4 girls. And they were able to make their own corn. You know, I didn't have to cook. Let me get this trash out of the way real quick here. And yeah, this was something that they could do without cooking with the fire and stuff. So yeah, it's great. And I have my onions here. Throw my onions in. I love onions, you know. Throw my onions in the potato salad real quick. And you can cut them up nice and perfect if you want to. It's up to you. I'm just cutting them up. Just cut them up so that I know that they're cut up. If you want to put an egg in here, you could put an egg. If it was for me, I would put an egg and take the yolk out and just use the white. Or if you have a dog, give the dog the yolk. It's good for their coat. And I just use the white. And then I just toss in some sweet relish. Let me get a spoon real quick. Spoonful of sweet relish. According to how much you have and how much you like. I'll get rid of this knife for a minute. Toss it around some. Let me check on how the bread is coming. Yep. I used mayonnaise to do my bread. If you like to use butter, you can. Today I use mayonnaise. My bottom bread looks like it could be just about ready. Not quite. I'm going to turn that up just a little bit so it can get going. Potato salad is just about ready. And it chops up just perfectly. Get a little bit of mustard. I nearly forgot where I put the mustard, you guys. Got some paprika for the top. My Montreal seasoning to go on top. This is the mustard. You know how it always have that juice on the top. I'm going to put about a dime. Well, there. Told you I'm bad with that. There's that. Uh-oh. Let me check on this now. Yeah. Yeah. This is what my bottom bread looks like. I'm going to put that to the table. And for me, I don't need any more mayonnaise. I'm not that big of a mayonnaise-y person. I could put some mustard on it. Just a little bit of mustard. Just because I know I already got mayonnaise, I'm good. I have my plate already at the table because this is about to go down. And this is ready. I did the top on both sides. Here, let me show you what that looks like from the mayonnaise. Uh-oh, I lost it. A little loopy, you know. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna throw in the ham. Real quick. Quick. And the ham I buy are the pieces in the store. They call this like they think this is the pieces like you're supposed to cook with like beans and stuff. But see, this is just as good. And this is how I buy bacon too. You know? Excuse my fan for a minute because I don't want the smoke detector to go off. Sorry, you guys. I hate to do that, but spiral cut ham pieces is what it's called. And I wish you could smell it. It smells so sweet. It's from the smoked spiral cut ham. This piece is right here. I wish you could smell it in here. Try to cut that off. I opened the door some. That's about to come. This is about done. Okay. Let me get another spoon. I don't like mine too mayonnaise-y. I'd rather have it less than too much. And just give it a stir. This is what it looks like when they put parsley later. And this is what it looks like. Stir it in. And of course, this is just a little bit because I have a little bit in here. In case you're wondering what are the tomatoes for, my ham sandwich. I love tomatoes. See, that's the potato salad, you guys. Let me put it in the batter bowl so you can see it. And make it look a little prettier for you. And I think I did it. And I think that's it. That's all, y'all. I hear someone coming up. You guys, let me close the door. Sorry. Here's someone talking in the hall. I hate for someone to say, "Ooh, that ham smells good." But this is the potato salad. You can see in the bowl. Not too creamy. You get a crunch in every bite if you like bell pepper. This is it. This is it. And then you know how you keep it clean? This is what it looks like on top. Easy potato salad. 1, 2, 3. And then now I'm going to put the top on it, which will be, excuse me, a little Montreal, just to look like black pepper. It has garlic in here, I believe, black pepper. This is my go-to right there. You always put some this just for red. Paprika. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say this. And I always clump it on. It never just goes right on like you like it. Spread around. Hate to do that. I'm not gonna do that. Okay. Let's put some parsley on top. And that is it. That'll do it right there, you guys. And of course, if you would do a big one for a picnic or a big family, thumbnail. 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 Potato salad. Microwave potato salad. I should move this skillet and see if I can get a better one. Microwave potato salad. Okay, you guys. See you on the other side. I hope that this video has helped you.